This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this better than new 1-year-old home with tons of upgrades. This home is a 5-bedroom RO and 2.5 bath home in South Bossier. Open floor plan. 2 bedrooms 1.5 bath down and 3 bedrooms 1 bath upstairs with large bonus room. Attic space could add another large room. Kitchen has oversized island. Walk-in pantry that is larger than any other. Pot filler. Coffee bar area. No carpet. Lots of windows for natural lighting. Another room downstairs could be office or gym, could also be closed in formal dining room. Fully fenced backyard with storage shed. Master bedroom is large. Master bathroom has freestanding tub and separate shower, dual sinks, walk-in closet. 3-car garage with 2 doors having mic openers. Also 1 garage door opens to backyard. Ring doorbell and 2 Nest thermostats. Beautiful landscaping out front. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.